Today's Joe Show is sponsored by Chulani Promotional Products. Hi, I'm Joe Haley. You're watching The Joe Show. Check out today's first product. This is lip balm. Of course, it looks like lip balm, but we got some great flavors here. These are called Lip Sips, and we've got one that is grapefruit shanty. And if you don't know what grapefruit shanty is, that is a beer. Another one is orange soda. The one in the middle is orange soda. And over here, this is grape juice box. There's a lot of different beverage-inspired flavors for the lip balm, but it's got the beeswax, it's organic, it's got the sun protection factor of 15, so it's great for anyone who's doing a promotion out in the sun, whether it's on the ski slopes or on a beach. And if you've never thought of something for a beer festival, you're doing something for a beer festival, why not grapefruit shanty flavor lip balm? All right, this next product, we'll show you two different colors. We've got blue, and I'm going to show you a red one. You'll see that we've got a carabiner clip here. Inside, this is a Flute Kit. So inside the Flute Kit, we have some vitamin C powder, so you can mix that with a drink and make sure you get your vitamin C. There's tissues in there. There's sanitary hand wipes in there as well. There's a guide for cold and flu remedies. This time of year, it's going to be important to use this type of kit in a number of different promotions. Say you have a ski vacation coming up. You're loading up a group of people into 2 buses and stuff. This would be a great product to give them as they're getting on that bus, because once you pull away, you're on your way to your destination. You're going to be there over the course of a long weekend. It's good that someone is prepared with that. Also for meetings, also for conventions, anytime when employees or anyone's going off-site into a convention center setting, you want to make sure there's a lot of handshaking there. You want to make sure that you're prepared. All right, I'm going to show you this next product. First, we'll start with the basketball. Looks like a stress reliever. This is a slow-release foam, so when I squeeze it, it takes a while to get back to its original shape. Comes in all type of sports balls. We got baseball and football as well. They're great for the Super Bowl coming up. Go Eagles. For March Madness coming up, for the beginning of the baseball season. And we got some other fun shapes here. The star could be for a motivation program. The heart is for heart healthy programs, or for Valentine's Day, I love you so much. And of course, you know, when you're studying for finals and SATs, it's really going to feel like your brain is being squeezed. So this is a great stress reliever for that as well. I have 2 cigarette lighters here, 2 different shapes. I'll show you this one. I'm going to show you the round one as well. But what I want to show you is the product on the bottom here. This tool that's going to fix right to your lighter can be used for a lot of different things. Pipe smokers can dig out their tobacco and tap it out. You can open an envelope with this as well. You can dig a hole into your cigar or something else that you might be smoking, and it slides right back up there. So if you're using a lighter, not everyone smokes, not everyone needs a lighter. That's true, but maybe you use it to light candles at home, either on a birthday cake or something you're going to put up on the mantle. This is a great tool to have, and because it comes right off, you get another lighter, and you can slip it right back on there. All right, this next product here, this is a badge reel, okay? It's actually made out of hemp, and this ties into the marijuana industry, because we know that states and municipalities are legalizing it for medicinal uses, for recreational uses, and it's a highly regulated industry as well. So having proper ID and credentials is going to be important, especially for people who are working at dispensaries, who are working at the fields where they grow it. You're going to make sure that, one, you know who's there. The ID is going to have to be permanent. But if you have to unlock doors, it's usually right on your badge, and you can swipe a card to gain entries in there. So this is a great idea for the burgeoning marijuana industry. And then now we have some products from today's Joe Show sponsor, Chulani. Start off with our first board here. We've got the boxing glove keychains. They come in a variety of different colors. Hopefully that can match an association, a company, school's colors. These are great to give out if you're going to knock out cancer, you're going to knock out bad breath for an orthodontist or for a dentist. So those themes really play well into this. Also natural for gyms, especially those that have that Taibo training. Also from Chulani We've got our baseballs and softball. Again, a variety of different colors, all official size and weight. Baseball players will be, pitchers and catchers will be reporting soon, but it's also great for leagues. When you register on players, you give them a baseball or softball. If you're looking for giveaways for these tournaments that are going to be coming up in the spring and the summer, it's a good idea to start thinking about that now, and also it could be a great gift for the end of the season for coaches and volunteers. All right, well, that's all the time we had today. Thanks a lot for watching. This is ASI TV.